long word. For an example, I have one word that is supercalifragisticexpialidocious.
To speak any English sentences like what do you do, from where do you come, etc. Whatever comes in your mind.
Hello everyone, this side of Listen Talks Group, and today we are here to give you some tips for learning English. So without further delay, let's get started. So firstly, I just want to tell you that lots of people think that English is not very difficult language, and they have the same mindset that we can't do it, it's not everyone's cup of tea. But it isn't like that, because there is nothing impossible in this world. Only you have to need practice for everything, not even for English language. For everything you just need practice. So do practice for everything and you will be able to speak everything, and you will be able to do everything whatever you want to do. So let's start this. Firstly, if you really like to listen music, so listen English music and try to sing it well. The second thing is that whenever you are free, so try to speak some English difficult and long word. For an example, I have one word that is supercalifragisticexpialidocious. And the third and last thing, which I always suggest you, that is do tongue twister. With the help of tongue twister, the fluency comes on your tongue. So today I also have one tongue twister for you, that is Bunny bought butter, but the butter was bitter. So Bunny bought better butter to make bitter butter better. So let's do it in fluency. Bunny bought butter, but the butter was bitter. So Bunny bought better butter to make bitter butter better. I hope guys you will do it at your home. Enjoy it. Now I would like to listen to Asif.
Whenever you see your face in mirror, so start speaking English for 1 to 2 minutes. It may help you to be confident, and as well as your practice has also done. And the second thing is, when you sit idle, so speak any English sentences like what do you do, from where do you come, etc. Whatever comes in your mind. And the last thing is, write a paragraph every day, because whenever do you have to write any paragraph about any topic, so you may write easily because you do practice every day. So I hope you got my point.